How's it going, everybody? So I have a little kind of unboxing, but if you're looking for a complete unboxing, watch a different video. There's thousands out there. This is mainly for riders. So I just got a GoPro HERO8 Black. I went ahead and ordered one. I figured I'm locked away. I'm not really spending money out riding, so I might as well upgrade my video. So right now I'm recording on my GoPro Hero 5 Black. I'm recording at 2.7K at 60 frames a second. I do that a lot. I have a 128 gigabyte card in the GoPro, and it says it will do 4 hours and 16 more minutes. Usually 4.5 hours. Pretty good. I have this hooked up to an external battery right here. And this is actually what I have when I ride. Actually, I have a couple different ones at this point, but got this guy. It's pretty small. It's from Anker. I forget the actual size, and the print's pretty small on the back. I think it's a 15,000 milliamp hour. So this works great, and this is how I record. I power for days. It will go the whole memory card plus a few more. It's good for like dual sport type trips because I can record all day, I can record the next day, and possibly a third day, and I can get somewhere and then charge that up and charge GoPro up and change memory cards as I go. So I decided, well, I'll get a GoPro HERO8 Black. I also, from Western Digital, who owns SanDisk, I bought a 256 gigabyte card. So I got the card here. That came in today. Now the GoPro Hero Black, this deal, it came with a 32 gig card. I'll probably just use it for the recorder or other things. It also came with this nice little stand and selfie stick, it looks like. It does a bunch of different stuff. We'll take a look at that. It came with a head strap and quick clip, which I already have one of these, but that's okay. Extras, not an issue. Came with an extra battery, so there should be 2 batteries. And I've already done the update on the Hero 5 Black, so I can actually use the newer battery, but otherwise it's the same battery. And then here's the main thing, the camera. Hyper Smooth 2.0. That's what interests me for riding, and for just even when I'm doing videos now more with the GoPro holding it, you know, it'd be less vibey. Obviously the 256 card came from Western Digital, just came in an envelope. Here is my helmet, KLIM F5 Koroyd, or however you say it. Kind of did some plastic welding up here and fixed that, but it's kind of hard to match this paint, so just a battle scar. But I used the SoPro mount, and with the SoPro mount, this is how it looks. And inside, I also have a Senya 30K for when I want to talk to people, but I also have another mic here, and that's this cable that plugs into the Tascam. So that's how I do everything. So if you're wondering, this is what I have going on for this helmet. For my full face helmet, I actually have the Pro Shot mount, and it works a lot better because you don't have to go through the opening. Thus, the visor still will close. So let's dig in and see what this looks like. As I said, this is not a complete unboxing video and setup and all that. I'm just going to try to take a fairly quick look. By fairly, I don't know, however long this video goes. Okay, let's see what we got to do here. Okay, yeah. The camera, the most important thing, fake graphic on the back. It looks like a mountain biking picture. So what's a little bit different with the 8 than the 5 is you got these fold out mount. I don't know if I care if that's like that. It makes it more compact, obviously. And also the big thing is you don't have the skeleton case anymore like I have on the 5 right now. Although I'm gonna buy a full aluminum case for this for when I'm kind of doing vlogging. I might get a mic and stuff, but yeah. See the door. Okay, you pull down that little bit and how does it, it just lifts. So the door is removable. Here's your power jack right there, which kind of is a pain because, well, how do I get to that? Well, I bought a special door from a company. I'll have a link in the description on the stuff I bought. And you replace this door and it's aluminum, and what it allows you to do is still plug in down here, I guess. At least supposedly. So we'll see how that works. Because I have to run the extended battery. I'm not going to mess around changing the battery every freaking hour. So, where's the memory card slot? Ah, it's hard to see. It's like right there. It's not as pronounced. So, I need the battery. So, battery, USB-C to USB, one curve mount. That's it. They don't give you a lot of accessories like they used to. Now there's a tab on the battery so you can pull it out. But that just is going to go down there just like that. Snaps in, but see, if you don't have the door on, if I pulled this off and ran the external battery, this battery could, well, it's in there pretty good. Probably wouldn't come out. But, you know, the memory card's exposed. A lot of things are exposed. Let's go ahead and put in the big card. Okay. I want to assume it powers up the same as the 5. Okay, oh, that starts up a lot quicker. That's cool. English, yes. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use available at GoPro.com/legal. Like, well, I'm supposed to go there and read everything? Capture the location where your videos are taken. Yeah, sure, turn it on. GoPro app. Install the GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Things like this. I think the 5 required that too. Let's see if I still have the app. I really don't like that you have to do that whole thing with the app to get this going. I mean, somebody might just want to buy the camera, the GoPro, and use it from right out of the box. Maybe it's an older person that doesn't have a phone. I don't know. I'm not too big of a fan that you have to do an update right away and all this stuff. It says you can do it later, but it's like, oh, might as well do it now. There's an issue connecting to the phone or to the camera, so I guess I'll just say update later. It said it had 27% battery. As I put it in, it's down to 24. With that, at 1080 by 60 frames wide, it will record 10 hours and 15 minutes. Wow. So that's, that's probably what I would record at if I was on a adventure ride. Just because, get the most out of the card. Activity 2.7, there's some presets. So I got activity, cinematic, I got slow-mo, which is 1080 by 240 frames wide. I think I want to do think I want to do activity, the 2.7K at 60 frames. So with that memory card, 256 gig, 2.7K, 60 frames a second, with the smooth on, 8 hours and 3 minutes. Let's go see. Oh, I can do 2.7K at 120 frames a second. 8 hours and 25 minutes. It looks like, so, and that's at 2.7K, 120 frames at the super view. So that's kind of cool. And that's with hyper smooth on. So I can do hyper smooth on at 120 frames. I don't know if I want to record at that normally though. 60 frames will work just fine. This will record, it says 8 hours and 3 minutes. So that big card is going to be awesome to record. Once I get the aftermarket door to be able to plug in the external battery, that's going to be pretty dang slick. And I don't know if I'm a big fan of these. Just seems like they would probably break in time. But here it is. It would, typically I would have it go in like that, upside down. On this helmet, that's how I run it, so it's not like sticking up in my view. And yeah, that'd be pretty slick, just like that. Well, let's really quick take a look at the other stuff. So I got an extra battery, so this should just be an extra battery, which will be nice. A huge box for a little battery. So, curiosity, let's see what that other battery comes charged at. Just so you know, out of the box, what do these come charged at? And it literally starts right up. Ooh, this one's 10%. Don't know if you can see that. So, another huge box for a little stick. We're so wasteful. Okay, so you got a nice metal screw tightened down on. This also works somehow as a tripod. Yeah, they fold out like that. And then this can telescope out. It's a little selfie stick, it's not that long. Here. Go ahead, put it in it. Yeah, that's really loose, just kind of falls. Not the best stick. Is it worth the money? I guess if you have nothing else. I mean, it will work. But probably buy something else if that's what you're going to use all the time. And the head strap, I'm not even going to open it because I already have one of these. Yeah, it is a head strap. Well, I'll be bringing you some riding videos and other videos, and you can pull up old videos and then the new ones and compare them and all that good stuff. I'll let you know how I like it. Some people say it crashes and does this and that, and we'll see. I don't know, but I figured it was time for an upgrade. Now, one of the negatives I do read about is can't change the lens, as you can see. Now, it doesn't mean in time there won't be some sort of aftermarket way to pry this face off and change it. There's a company that makes a aluminum housing that will be good to protect this, but it also has a lens, a 52mm lens filter adapter, so you can then put on like a UV filter, which I'm going to do. It will protect this lens, it will protect this unit better because it's a skeleton aluminum case. And yeah, mainly the lens, and then that way I don't have to worry about it. I've never broken one yet, but this would be the first, right? I guess the fallback is I don't sell my stuff, so I'll have the Hero 5 Black, which I plan to use that to do some ride-bys and stuff. So I will carry this older camera with me and set it up and ride by, ride up an obstacle, then go get the camera. just have that in my pocket. So that's the plan. So we'll see. Anyways, hopefully this helps some of you riders out with how I have things hooked up on the helmet and with what comes with the Hero 8 Black. And anyways, just a little video. Hopefully you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, especially the riding ones. Check out that Amazon affiliate link. Check out the links to everything. And even if you just do your normal shopping, it helps the channel out, because we're YouTube right now. I've noticed a huge decrease in revenue. I don't know why. Maybe no one's buying ads right now. You would think they would be, but a lot of people are unemployed during this whole virus thing, so don't know, but it's dropped like a rock. Anyways, take care, stay well, my friends. Have a good one. Bye.